Hello grade 3s, I'm officially making you another YouTube video so that I can help you understand what centimeter, meter, and kilometer looks like. So as you can see, we are outside my house, so you're getting another house tour. It is also currently snowing out, so I won't be out here for too long, but let's get started. So as you can see, I brought my handy dandy meter stick, and it has all the centimeters on it so you can get a good view. This is 1 meter. Yeah, so this is what 1 meter looks like. If we wanted to measure in centimeters, let's say the distance of this brick from here to here, then we always start with the centimeter side. You can see there it says cm, and you want to have a clear start point. So I'm going to start that right here, and the clear end point is right there. So if I zoom in, it's pretty much 17 centimeters, starting at 0 all the way to 17. So this brick you would measure with centimeters. As you can see, it would be really hard to measure with the full meter stick. What about my very dirty car? Well, the question is, would you use centimeters or would you use the whole meter stick? We'll pause this video and you can let me know. So what do you think, centimeters or meters? If you guessed meters, you are correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay it on the floor so you can see. Now it has to have a clear start.
So I'm thinking right about here. Right about there.
So as you can see, that's 1 meter. We still have a lot more to go, but it's not a kilometer. So let's see how many meters this is. So my meter stick stops right there, so I'm going to move it, making sure that it now starts there when I move it. So now that I move it, it is now 2 meters. 1 there, another 1 there. That's 2 meters, but we still have more to go. So let's move it again. That's the end. So I'm going to move this right down so it starts there again. And now the beginning of the meter stick starts there. Now that's another meter, so that's 3 meters, but again, we still have a bit of the car to go, so let's move it again.
Okay, we're getting to the end.
So there's the end. I will keep my finger there, and it's moved again. And we're pretty much at the end of the car, so we moved that 4 times. There was 4 meter sticks, 1 there, 2, 3, and 4. So this car is about 4 meters long. Now, did we have to measure in kilometers? Boys and girls, if you can tell me how many meters is in 1 kilometer. Again, you can pause the video and we'll reveal the answer in a little bit. All right, if you guessed 1,000, 3 zeros, 1,000 meters is in 1 kilometer, you got it right. Now, next common mistake was, what do we measure the house in? Do we measure it in meters or kilometers? So some of you said kilometers, but let's actually take a look with my meter stick. Okay, so as you saw, that was 2 meter sticks, 1 and then 2, and then just a little bit more. So if that's only 2 meter sticks tall, do we really need 1,000, which is a whole kilometer? Probably not. So boys and girls, measuring the height of a house, you only need meters, okay? All right, let's go take a look at kilometers. All right, so I'm heading out for a walk here because kilometers is very long, which means you need a big distance. So I'm going to reach the point to where we start, because remember, every measurement needs a clear start and a clear end. Yes, it's a busy road, so it might be a little loud, so bear with me, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so cold out here. In case you were wondering, my clear start point is at these lights right up ahead. So we're heading there right now, almost there. Now, in order to see exactly how long a kilometer is, I actually use Google Maps. So if you want to try it at home, just look up 2 spots on Google Maps and it'll tell you exactly how far it is. So try it out at home. But for now, we are here at this intersection and I'm going to show you from here to where is just 1 kilometer. So take a look. There's the light. Here's the intersection. Now, as you can see here, this is a meter. This is all a meter is. And from here, all the way, so here's the street, again, intersection. There's the street, there's the street, there's the street. We're going. And the 1 kilometer is all the way up this hill. So let me show that one more time. Here's the intersection. 1 kilometer is from here all the way up that hill. Grade 3s, that is the 100 buses that I was talking about. Think about it, 100 buses lining up from there all the way up the hill. Now, do you think our meter stick would be enough? I think it might be too small now. So there's our little meter stick, and that is all the way where 1 kilometer is at the top of that hill. All right, grade 3s. I really hope that helped you see the difference between a meter and a kilometer. Now again, try it out at home on your Google Maps. If you'd like to map out what a kilometer looks like, then I think it would really help you too. So I'm heading on back home. It is cold. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, see you in class.